Guys, I'm back. I'm being consistent. I'm here for this. So I don't like wearing gele. So I found a way that people like us can wear our gele for our friends rather than not just using it. So I turned this into this. Guys, welcome back to Pikipel's channel. Thank you guys for subscribing. This is my official videos. So to my returning subscribers, thank you for returning to my page, and to those that are just seeing my page for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. So I'm that kind of girl that I don't like to tie gele. Like, my ears are always frying whenever I tie gele. So I found a way, rather than tie the gele, I found a way to use it for other purposes. So for today, we're going to turn the regular Owambe gele into a skirt, this, and also into a kimono. So you guys sit back and relax. So that's it for the skirts. There you go. So for the kimono, all we have to do is fold the gele into 2 equal halves, the scarf here, and then so you take after folding it into 2 equal halves, then you put it on your neck and you just try and measure your neck area so that we can cut it. You fold it again inward, then use your scissors to just cut it. If you don't know your neckline, you can just like cut a little bit the size of your head. Just use the size of your head to check it out. Make sure it's not too big so you don't have so much space. You get. So now we have the agbada / kimono, guys. So you can wear this with a shirt if you want to, and you can also wear it alone. Okay, so you can use a belt on it. This is like another style in order for it not to look like an agbada, and if you want it to really look like a kimono, this way you can also wear it without the shirts, and maybe just wear like a spaghetti top underneath and you're good to go. Watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you guys try it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next week on my channel. Pikipel. Love you guys.